This presentation addresses the educational strategies needed in developing your curriculum. This is step 4 of the process. In review, you have already completed step 1, problem identification and general needs assessment. You have completed step 2, where you identified your targeted audience and the needs of that audience. From there, you went into step 3 and identified the goals and objectives for your program. Now you are on step 4, and in this step we identify the educational strategies that you will use to meet the goals and objectives you established in step 3. We need to identify the educational strategies to achieve our curricular objectives. These educational strategies involve both content and teaching and delivery method, and they provide the means needed to achieve all of our objectives. Once you have clarified the educational objectives you established in step 3, you then choose curriculum content and teaching methods and delivery methods to best help you meet that objective. I tend to use a table for this process, and I thought I would share one of my tables with you. Your objective goes in the first column, and then you start filling in the other parts. Let's move to curriculum content and skills. For this, you want to include the best practices identified in the peer review research, and you include both content and skills and a citation to support that inclusion for best practice. So again, you identify content and skills as well as citations supporting your selection. Then we move to educational methods. Again, this is the best practices as identified through the peer-reviewed research, and for this you include the educational method that you will use to teach that specific content or skill. This could be case-based problem-solving exercises, collaborative learning, role play, even lecture. And these are not all of the educational methods, but just some ideas of where you can go with this. So identify the method you will use to teach that content or skill and a citation to support that as a best practice. Now we move on to the peer-reviewed research identifying best practices for delivery methods and your citations. Are you delivering this educational method to teach this curriculum content or skill in a face-to-face setting? Are you delivering it online? Are you delivering it as a hybrid? How about video streaming? Again, identify the best practices and delivery method for each educational method to deliver each content or skill and include a citation. Once you have done this for all of your objectives, contact me to arrange a video conference and we can discuss what you have created. This completes step 4 on educational strategies.